Hey, welcome to another iPad app first look and review of an app. It's a special app if you're an amateur radio operator or a shortwave radio listener. There is a nice little app that's called HF Beacons. It's free of charge. You can download it on the internet. Works on the iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. And it gives you basically the different beacons that are actually automatic beacons that are put throughout the world to help amateur radio operators know when propagation of their signals will reach a certain part of the world. So basically what you have this little icon right here at the bottom left that lets you see the different bands, 18 megahertz, 21 megahertz, 24 megahertz, 28 megahertz, and back to 14. So depending on which one you are using, it will actually show you on a real-time map which beacon you are actually listening to at the time being. And of course, the accuracy of the clock of your iPad needs to be perfect so that it is able to let you hear and see, basically see what you are hearing. So what you do is that if, for example, you're trying to reach South America, well, you look at the beacons that are here in the South America and wait for them to actually be transmitting with the little dot, the red dot showing you which one is transmitting at this time. Once that is done, if you hear one of the three beacons, for example, in South America, that means that your signal has a chance of actually going through South America on that 14 megahertz band, 20 meters. So it's a great little aid here to know where signals are coming from and what you can probably hear or do on your amateur radio band. Great free app. I think it's one of those little apps that are really important for any amateur radio operator out there, and they let you see and understand what you can actually hear. So that is mostly an amateur radio and shortwave listener app, but very nice to have if you are in that category. I am myself a shortwave listener, so the reason why I love this app is because it lets me see which part of the world I can probably hear on my radio. So HF Beacons, free of charge on the App Store. It's a must-have app if you're an AM radio operator or a shortwave listener. And since it's free of charge, it's a cool little app to have. Doesn't cost anything and gives you lots of information basically. So if you enjoy these look at apps and any other review of apps, well, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions regarding any apps, let us know. We'll try to answer any questions. And if you have a request of an app, keep in mind I have a limited weekly budget for apps. So if it's a paid app, it might not be always on the same week that I'll put, but I'll try to put those online for you if you have any requests. So thanks for watching and hope you come back to the iPad apps first look channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.